Hello, good afternoon, everybody. This is Margaret Young from CMC Markets. Today, we are going to learn about GSLO, or we call it Guaranteed Stop Loss Order. And this is really magic. I can share with you how to apply a GSLO on trading currencies and how it will help you to reduce the margin amount by 20 times. Okay, so maybe we choose a product. What is the hottest currency in the market right now? I think nothing can beat the sterling, so let's take a look at the sterling chart. We have Brexit talk and Brexit delay going on nowadays, and a lot of news flowing off. And so let's take a look at the day chart. Well, sterling seems to be running out of steam as it retraced for a second day after Boris Johnson's Brexit deal being accepted by the parliament, but they also voted for a delay, so we are seeing sterling is pulling back. Then let's take a look at client sentiment. Well, it seems like majority of our clients are taking long positions. Look at top clients position. 88% of the position they are having now is long sterling. Well, today I want to be a contrarian, so I may want to put a short order here. Okay, disclaimer, this is purely example and purely for education purpose only. Don't follow my trade, okay? We don't give any recommendations. So on this button, you can open a trade from chat. All right, and you will see here. Okay, I want to move it to a 5-minute chart to do a day trade somewhere here. So look at my right hand side of my screen. This is a trading ticket, and I have stop loss and profit taking order attached to my ticket. So I want to do a sell trade. So once I click the sell button here, you see my stop loss and profit taking orders are automatically switching sides, and I have put stop loss order 30 pips above my selling price, and my profit taking order 60 pips below my selling price. Okay, that's a trade setup. And look at here. So let me enter the amount. A standard lot 10k, and look at estimated margin here is 876 Singapore dollar, which is 5% of the trading amount, the principal amount. And if I here put a guaranteed stop loss order instead of regular order, look at the margin. Well, it reduces from $800 to $44. That's a 20 times reduction of the margin. Why is that so? Because by using guaranteed stop loss order, you actually make your trade much safer than the ordinary stop loss order, because we will guarantee that your order will stop exactly at this level. No failure of order, no slippage. So it's guaranteed that we're done exactly at this position. In this way, you can enjoy a much better margin. And also the guaranteed stop loss is very similar as an insurance that you purchase for yourself. So it does come with a premium, which we call guaranteed stop loss premium, or GSLO premium, which in this case is $2.74 Singapore cents. Not a lot comparing to the principal amount traded. So and the best thing for GSLO premium is that it can be fully refunded if this order is withdrawn or the guaranteed stop loss never triggered, so it will be refunded. It will only be charged if the order is done. Okay, and here you can place the order from here. So that's for guaranteed stop loss order. If you want to know more about this function, very useful. It's a magic function for our platform, especially for clients who complain about higher margins in Singapore here. The margin rate here has increased from 2% to 5% this month. So I guess a lot of clients will get affected. But if you know how to utilize this GSLO, then it's no longer a problem. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching and enjoy trading.